Ways to encourage a person after a painful loss. Today we are going to learn about ways to encourage a person after a painful loss. New beginning. New beginning. Everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. Be creative to explore happiness. Be creative to explore happiness. Wishing you strength and power. Wishing you strength and power. Guide your life to find different paths. Guide your life to find different paths. Explore life in a smart way. Explore life in a smart way. Be brave to stand up through tears. Be brave to stand up through tears. You are the master of your life. You are the master of your life. Guide it wisely. Guide it wisely. It's time to begin your new journey. It's time to begin your new journey. Life offers tremendous. Tremendous. Tremendous means a big, many. Avenues. 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 Avenues means path, ways. To enjoy. Life offers tremendous avenues to enjoy. Life offers tremendous avenues to enjoy. Be smart to find it. Be smart to find it. Keeping smiling and shining is the best way to honor your departed one. Keeping smiling and shining is the best way to honor your departed one. You have a brighter future ahead. You have a brighter future ahead. Happiness is around the corner. Around the corner means very near. It's not far. It's very close. Around the corner means near. This is another way how to say happiness is near. Happiness is around the corner. Happiness is around the corner. Practice everyone, and I hope this helps to learn new words and idioms.